Getting hit with the Apex Legends error code leaf? Don't worry, here's how to fix it fast. First, check if Apex servers are down. Sometimes it's not you, it's them. Also, restart your router or switch to a wired connection. This clears out connection issues. On the Apex main menu, go to the bottom left corner, click Data Center, and switch to a different server with lower ping. Step 4. Flush DNS. On PC, open command prompt and type ipconfig/flush DNS. This refreshes your network. On Xbox or PlayStation, clear cache by fully powering down, unplugging for 2 minutes, then rebooting. And that should you get back into Apex without the dreaded leaf error. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for quick tutorials like this.